Hi students, today we will discuss a problem on sequence and series which is also related to binomial theorem, and this question which is given in JEE Mains exam 2021, and the best question in that session, that is, let n be a positive integer and let capital A equal to sigma k equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power k nck into 1 by 2 whole power k plus 3 by 4 whole power k plus and so on 31 by 32 whole power k. Then if 63a equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 power 30, then n is equal to, that is the question. Now by seeing the question, it is looking very complicated, but so there is a easy formula behind this question, that is, let me discuss one simple formula before solving the question, that is from binomial theorem. Then if you know that the binomial theorem, that is 1 minus x whole power n, the expansion of 1 minus x whole power n. So in case of 1 minus x whole power n, the expansion is nc naught, first one, minus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square minus like this and so on, last value, that is plus minus 1 whole power n ncn x power n. Right. Now see, clearly it is about alternative change of sign. So it is 1 minus x whole power n, which is also written as summation of, here, r equal to 0 to n, that is alternative change of sign we can denote with minus 1 whole power r and ncr and x power r. Did you get my point? So this is a very important condition on which everyone knows, that is 1 minus x whole power n is sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power r ncr x power r. Right. Now how this question is interlinked with this formula, right? Now see that they have given that a equal to summation of k equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power k nc k into, they have given 1 by 2 whole power k plus 3 by 4 whole power k plus so on. Similarly that 31 by 32 whole power k. Now by seeing this term you will get an idea, right? Now I'll take for roughly I'll take this one, about this, up to this part I'll consider. Now see what will happen, that is, for suppose sigma, if I take k equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power k nck and 1 by 2 whole power k. According to this formula, observe this, according to this formula, that is what, 1 minus x whole power n, that is 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power n, that is what, 1 by 2 whole power n. Right. Now similarly, what about this, if I take summation with this, what I'll get is 1 minus 1 by 4 whole power, sorry, 1 minus, that is what, 3 by 4, right? 1 minus 3 by 4 whole power n, that is 1 by 4 whole power n. Now like that, similarly about the third one, 7 by 8 is there, which is nothing but 1 minus 7 by 8 whole power n. This is interlinked with the summation, that is what, 1 by 8 whole power n. Now the next one, what we have, 15 by 16, that is 1 minus 15 by 16 whole power n, that is what, 1 by 16 whole power n. And the last value is 31 by 32, that is 1 minus 31 by 32 whole power n, that is what 1 by 32 whole power n. So that clearly capital A equal to, after expanding this whole summation, what I'll get, first value, that is what 1 by 2 whole power n, second value 1 by 4 whole power n, that is 1 by 2 square whole power n, 1 by 2 cube whole power n, 1 by 2 power 4 whole power n, plus 1 by 2 power 5 whole power n. If you observe this sequence clearly in the series, it is in GP, and the common ratio is, the first term is 1 by 2 whole power n, and common ratio is also 1 by 2 power n. Now coming to the summation, and we know that summation, what is the summation, sum of n terms formula is a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r, where r is less than 1. So that here clearly capital A equal to 1 by 2 whole power n into 1 minus 1 by 2 power n whole power, what is n here, number of terms n is equals to 5, so that 5 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 power whole power n. Now they have given that capital A is like this. Now if you observe this clearly, equal to 1 by 2 power n into 1 minus 1 by 2 power 5n divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 power n, right? And we just want value of n, and here clearly 63a equal to, they have given, given that 63a equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 power 30, right? This is what 63a. So clearly capital A equal to 1 by 63 into 1 minus 1 by 2 power 30, right? Next, here from this equation 1, if I want to solve further that equation 1, now I can say that 63, that 1 minus 1 by 2 power 30 divided by that 63, if I want to solve further, I can say that 2 power 6 minus 1, right? And now if I want to take 2 power 6 common from that, 1 minus 1 by 2 power 30 divided by, if I take 2 power 6 common, that is what I can get, 1 by 2 power 6. So that capital A equal to, that is what, 1 by 2 power 6 into 1 minus 1 by, here what I'll get, this is what, 2 power 6 whole power 5 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 power 6, if it is 2. Now compare this A and this A. Clearly if you observe that n here, in every case n is equals to what, 6. Thank you very much.